Hey guys, happy Fursuit Friday. Harrington Hare here, and you know, if you've ever shopped around for a fursuit online, then you know what an expensive hobby it can be. A full suit can cost upwards of thousands of dollars, but don't let the price tag get you down or discourage you. What I found when I was looking around is that when buying a suit, one piece at a time, it can really help to mitigate that upfront cost. So which is what I've been doing. I bought this head, I bought these paws, and here recently I've just gotten a new part in. I've got some really nice fursuit arms in. Make my arms all fuzzy. What this is going to let you do is start enjoying the hobby right away. So you won't have to sit there and save up these large amounts of cash. Like I was saying, I just got these arm sleeves in from a shop called POCKETWOLF on Etsy. And this week, what we're going to do is take a look at them and see if there's something that you want to add to your suit. So sit back, relax, and let's get right into it. So to start us off, these arm sleeves here were made by a shop on Etsy called POCKETWOLF. And I actually found these for $60 US. They are made of faux fur, and they're attached in the middle with these elastic straps in front and in the back here as well. So that helps them to stay on. I actually got mine a little bit cheaper than what I've usually found them for on that shop, because these were pre-made. Someone had already made these. And I'm lucky because I'm a neutral colored character. And so when I shop around for parts, it's usually gray, black, or white. So I can usually make that work with whatever I find. But you can order a custom color or pattern even, but just be advised it might run you a little bit higher in cost to do so. So after I had ordered them, waiting on delivery, I'm impatient. Online shopping and eBay has ruined me. But they did get here pretty quickly. It took about a week, and it was domestic shipping here in the US. I'm in Texas. I forgot where they ship from, but it was pretty quick, so that wasn't an issue either. It's really hot in these suits. So the way these work is you wear these under a t-shirt, and they're pretty easy to get on and off. I do like the smaller profile as opposed to my jackets, though I probably still will wear the jackets in videos from time to time. Now these arm sleeves are a great low-cost option for any fursuit partial. That's a head, gloves, just a collection of smaller parts, as opposed to a full suit. So I highly recommend giving POCKETWOLF and their shop a look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link to their Etsy shop down in the description below, so that you can check them out, and I highly encourage you to do so. I'm having a blast myself shopping around for different parts for this costume. And once this is all over, I'll have a really cool costume to debut on the convention floor for my first furry convention. So once this is all over, I'm gonna have an awesome time with a brand new suit. So I can't wait. I want to go to my first convention, but Texas is just awful right now with the quarantine. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you enjoyed the content, then what I want you to do is go ahead down below and hit that like button, because that's going to tell YouTube that I've been doing my job keeping you guys entertained throughout all this craziness. And if you like the content that I post, and I try to post every week for you guys, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well, and make sure you tap that bell icon over there, because what that's going to do is give you guys notifications every single time I post, so that you don't miss a thing. I got a couple really cool videos I've been really looking forward to coming up soon, and I don't want you guys to miss it. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.